Hello, thank you Lord. Thank you Lord for the another day. Thank you for the more blessings, good health, and our daily routine while we are living in this earth. That we are belong in the different countries. That we are also in the different people that we are living in this earth. Thank you so much. Kahit pa paano, yan, nakaraos din. Tapos na. Kaya salamat sa support, salamat sa nag-chat, salamat. I wish subscriber, why you don't subscribe my thank you again. Okay, so thank you so much talaga. Subscriber, not subscriber, viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters, mga some people that they are only watching, they are not making their own channel or their account, or I wish someday next time you can subscribe also my channel. Thank you so much, thank you very much. Okay, so now we have another chocolate na naman. Si madam ang hilig-hilig sa chocolate. Ayan no. A piece of Switzerland. O, diba? This one is chocolate. What's that ba? Diba chocolate? Oh, lagi. Ito, yun ang tamang sabi ko. Ito, chocolate pa rin to. Ito, chocolate pa rin. Dalawang layer pa yun, hindi tapos. Yung first layer, hindi pa rin tapos. Ay, nako. Kaya ganun talaga ang chocolate. So, yung mga hilig sa tsokola, yala tsokola. And some of them also that, again, I'm repeating always, that you are helping from the beginning until now. When I got one subscriber until now, that what I have, the viewers, the one viewers until now that I have, and supporters, thank you so much, and you know who you are talaga. That you are including in my journey as a OFW, to my family, both side ng nanay tatay ko, sa brother ko and my remaining brother, may mga in-laws, may mga nieces, mga apo, grandson, granddaughter, mga aunties and uncles, buong angkan in my hometown, that you are belong already in the social media. You are belong already in the different social media. Kaya thank you so much talaga, that you are also giving time, even not all of them, basta at least that you are also part of my journey, that what I have as a OFW while I'm living in this earth. And thank you for my employer from the beginning and until now, my mga previews while I'm working as a OFW. Thank you so much, thank you, and now thank you so much that you are helping and you are giving me share the knowledge, the blessings that you have, that you are giving also to me. Thank you. And Sisi, good luck for your studies. I wish someday and somehow you can reach for the success of your life, that we are also living in this earth, and God knows only what is good for you and what is blessings for you. And thank you also for the both side of my Madam and Sir, mga friends nila, mga relatives. Hinihingal na ako. Kasi nga, mainit na mainit. Kaya ganun. Ganun ang sakit. Ganun ang ko pag summer. Pag mainit na mainit. Kaya thank you kung especially kung ano yung mga plano. Congratulations to my all nieces. And the first one is that I have the finished. Good luck of your finding your start na for find for your source of income, that next month you are already graduate in your ambition to finish your college or universities. Okay, So good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, and to all of us. Not only for my angkan, both side of my parents, kundi some of them also that they are people living in this earth. Yun na yung sinasabi ko, kasama na yun sa worldwide, nationwide, and to different universe, and to all of us, kasi hindi naman talaga I cannot support, continue to you, but I'm just praying always to God that wherever you are, that you are still supporting, and you are already continue your mga different, that we have a different channel. So good luck, or you are working, and some of them also is full-time to their own channel. So God knows, God provide everything, whatever we need. Okay, so thank you so much again. And more blessings, keep safe lagi, and God bless us all. And always be happy. And wag niyong masyadong don't think about mga depression or mga sickness or mga failurities, because that is already part of our life. Don't think the problem to ourselves, because the problem they didn't think about us. Okay? So good luck, and God bless us all, and bye. Thank you, Lord. Thank you.